welcome back. As we have talked about the structure of nucleotide, and we have said that nucleotide is basically made up of a ribose sugar, nitrogenous bases, and phosphate group. So depending upon the type of nitrogenous base that is being attached with the carbon number 1 of the ribose sugar, there are basically 4 types of different nucleotide in our DNA. For example, here this is a structure of nucleotide in which nitrogenous base adenine is being attached with the carbon number 1. So if adenine is present at the carbon number 1 of the ribose sugar, it will be called as adenosine monophosphate. The nucleotide name will be adenosine. The base is adenine and the nucleotide name will be called as adenosine monophosphate. Or if we remove the phosphate, now it will be called as adenosine only, not monophosphate. And now it is not a nucleotide, it is a nucleoside. If phosphate in this group is not present, it will be adenosine, that is nucleoside. But adenosine monophosphate, now it is a nucleotide. Similarly, if adenine base is replaced with the guanine base, now this will be called as guanosine monophosphate. Guanosine monophosphate, that is the name of nucleotide. And again, if we remove the phosphate, simply we call it as guanosine, that will be nucleoside. Similarly, if guanosine is replaced with a thymine, the nucleotide name will be called as thymidine monophosphate, and nucleoside will be just thymine because phosphate groups are not present in nucleoside. Thymidine, that will be called as. Similarly, if cytosine nucleotide is present, then cytosine nitrogenous base is present, the name of nucleotide will be called as cytidine monophosphate, and the name of nucleoside, if cytosine is present as a base, the name of nucleoside will be simple cytidine, not monophosphate. Again, I will repeat, phosphate group are not present in the nucleoside. So there are basically 4 types of nucleotides in our DNA. Adenosine monophosphate, if guanine is present right here, it will be guanosine monophosphate. If thymine is present over here, it will be called as thymidine monophosphate. Similarly, if cytosine is being attached with the carbon number 1 of ribose sugar, it will be called as cytidine monophosphate. These are the 4 nucleotides that make our DNA structure, and how these nucleotides are being attached we will discuss in our next video. Thank you so much.